ranking story draft for Samsung's Project Moohan headset first look. Samsung's Project Moohan headset first look, the future of mixed reality unveiled. Samsung is making waves in the tech world once again with its latest innovation, Project Moohan, a cutting-edge mixed reality MR headset that promises to redefine immersive experiences. Designed to compete with the likes of Apple's Vision Pro and Meta's Quest series, Project Moohan combines sleek design, powerful performance, and seamless integration with Samsung's ecosystem. Here's everything we know about the device from this exclusive first look. What is Project Moohan? Project Moohan is Samsung's ambitious entry into the mixed reality space, blending virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, into a single device. Developed in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm, this headset aims to offer unparalleled experiences in gaming, productivity, and entertainment. Early prototypes showcase a lightweight design, high-resolution displays, and advanced spatial audio technology. First look, design and build. Samsung's Project Moohan headset is sleek, minimalistic, and comfortable for extended wear. The device features an adjustable head strap and a well-balanced build, ensuring it feels natural on the head. The front visor sports a glossy black finish reminiscent of high-end VR headsets, while the side panels house cameras for pass-through and environment mapping. The device also includes a pair of ergonomic controllers with haptic feedback and hand tracking support, giving users precise control in virtual environments. Display and visual quality. The Project Moohan headset boasts dual micro-OLED displays with a combined resolution surpassing 4K, offering crisp visuals and vibrant colors. The high refresh rate ensures smooth motion tracking, reducing motion sickness during extended sessions. Samsung has also integrated HDR technology for enhanced contrast and realism. Power and performance. At the heart of Project Moohan is a custom Qualcomm Snapdragon XR processor optimized for mixed reality experiences. Combined with Samsung's software expertise and AI-powered optimizations, the headset delivers fast load times and seamless transitions between virtual and augmented worlds. The device supports both tethered and standalone modes, giving users the flexibility to connect to a PC for high-end VR gaming or use it wirelessly for on-the-go MR experiences. Software and ecosystem. Samsung's close partnership with Google ensures full support for Android-based MR apps and services. Project Moohan will offer a robust content library at launch, including exclusive apps for productivity, virtual meetings, and immersive media consumption. Users can also expect seamless integration with Samsung Galaxy devices, allowing for quick file transfers and cross-device functionality. Battery life and connectivity. Early reports suggest that Project Moohan will provide up to 6 hours of battery life on a single charge, depending on usage. The headset features Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. Samsung is also rumored to include a proprietary fast charging technology offering several hours of use from just a 15-minute charge. Privacy and security. As privacy concerns grow in the MR space, Samsung has implemented advanced security features in Project Moohan. The device includes on-device data processing to minimize privacy risks, eye-tracking encryption, and robust passcode protection. When will Samsung's Project Moohan be available? While Samsung has not officially announced a release date, industry insiders suggest that Project Moohan may debut in late 2025. Pricing details remain under wraps, but considering its premium specs, it's likely to compete with other high-end MR devices in the $1,500 to $2,500 range. Final thoughts: what to expect from Samsung's Project Moohan? Samsung's Project Moohan headset is shaping up to be a game-changer in the mixed reality market. With its high-end design, powerful hardware, and seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem, it's poised to offer stiff competition to established players like Meta and Apple. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, or someone seeking new ways to work and collaborate, Project Moohan is definitely